How to connect garden hose to PVC. Garden hoses have 3/4 inch hose thread connectors, and the female end of the hose is the one you normally attach to the water supply. The plumbing valve to which you attach the hose, which is also known as a hose bib, spigot or faucet, has the required male hose connector, and you connect this valve directly to the water supply pipe. Outdoor faucets are usually made of a metal, such as brass, so if the incoming water supply pipe is PVC, the only way to connect them is to glue a threaded adapter to the pipe. Make sure your water supply is off before you begin. Cut and support the pipe. Make a clean cut on the end of the PVC pipe with a hacksaw. If the pipe is sticking out from the siding of your house, leave at least 2 inches between the end of the pipe and the siding to allow room for the adapter. Keep your free hand out of the way of the saw while you're cutting. Cover the end of the pipe with sandpaper or a file. Secure the pipe to a solid surface, such as the house siding, using clamps. You normally only need to do this if the pipe is rising out of the ground. Things you will need: hacksaw, sandpaper or file, pipe clamps, screws and screwdriver. Glue on the adapter. Spread PVC primer on the outside of the end of the pipe and on the inside of a male threaded adapter. Apply the primer with the applicator that comes in the can. Use an adapter with a slip connection that fits the pipe and 3/4 inch pipe threads on the other end. Warning: always connect a faucet with a female adapter to a PVC male adapter. If you connect a faucet with male threads to a PVC female adapter, there's a good possibility of the adapter cracking or leaking. Apply PVC glue to the outside of the pipe and inside of the adapter. Slip the adapter onto the pipe and twist it 1/4 turn. Do this immediately. The glue sets quickly. Hold the adapter in place for 10 seconds to prevent it from backing off. Tip: skip the primer by using 2-in-1 PVC primer and glue. Things you will need: PVC threaded adapter, PVC primer, PVC glue. Screw on the faucet and attach the hose. Wrap plumbing tape clockwise around the threads of the male adapter. This ensures a waterproof seal. Screw the faucet onto the adapter and tighten it as much as you can by hand. Use a wrench to tighten it more. Hold the pipe steady with adjustable pliers while to tighten the faucet to prevent the pipe from breaking. Turn off the faucet, turn on the water and check for leaks. Tighten the faucet more if water sprays from the connection. Screw the hose connector to the faucet. Tighten the connector hand tight, then turn on the faucet. Things you will need: faucet, plumbing tape, wrench, adjustable pliers,